Welcome to the channel, guys. On this video we have a 2017 Kia Sportage with the overheating issue. Our coolant is at correct level, even more than needed. When I come here on this top hose is very hot. If you come here and find your bottom hose, it's completely cold. So that's usually an indication for a thermostat that is stuck, closed, and doesn't allow the fluid to circulate through the radiator to cool it down. So let's go ahead and replace this small $22-25 part from Kia dealership. First thing we're gonna do, remove a couple clips here. Let's take the air intake box off. Now that the box, this part here is removed, we have a 10mm here, 10mm down here that we need to undo. Also a couple clamps, hose clamps, that need to be removed from here and here. I've taken the pipe off and removed the box more to this side. If you want to remove the box, you would have to also remove the battery to get it out, because there is no clearance to pull it out without damaging the brake fluid reservoir. So I'm just gonna move it on the side for now. Enough room. Our thermostat inlet is right here. There is some wiring harness. There is a couple tabs that I have to push in order to pull this harness away. Lift it up to access these two number 10 screws on top and one in the bottom. I move the wires away. There's two tabs that you have to undo, one here, one here. Now that inlet housing has three number 10 screws, one here, one there, and one in the bottom. So let's start doing them one by one. Went ahead and used locking pliers to lock this. Now we can go ahead, remove this thermostat right here and install a new one and start reassemble. When reinstalling your thermostat, there's a little air bleeder nipple that should be at 12 o'clock, watching all the way to the sky. Three screws are back in. You want to let the top one little loose so you can install your wiring harness again, and then tighten it all down because the little bracket here has play. Now we can remove our clamp here. Okay, you can go ahead and wash off the excessive coolant that's spilled out from there. Now let's go ahead and get this wiring harness properly seated where it's supposed to be. Now that my harness is at the correct spot, I can go ahead and tighten down that last 10mm on the top with the bracket. That's that. Now we go ahead and place our box back, our tubing back, and we're done. And just like this, the job is done. Easy fix. Now we're gonna go ahead and open this cap, let the car run, turn the heat on, let the coolant circulate throughout the cooling system, and then we go ahead and drive it for a little bit and open the coolant cap again to let some air out when the car is turned off. And another option is if you have a vacuum system that you can pull vacuum on the from the reservoir and eliminate the air and refill it with that system. But for those who don't have that kind of equipment, then we just let it run, let it purple out all the air pockets. So thank you for watching, like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.